A lot of people struggle to get the air out of the lines going to their carts from their sys system, and this is normally because you've got air in the cartridge itself and it will always try and get to the top, so it'll always find its way back to these lines here. Now there's a really great little trick for doing this. Obviously make sure that your tanks have got filters in, or you've got the valves open on top. You don't want air to be trapped in there or a vacuum to be made in there. If you take your cartridges and you take them down below the height of your tank, what you do, if I can do this with one hand, it's proving difficult, is find yourself a syringe, a blunt syringe end or anything sharp you can find that will go in the end of the cartridge, and then if you just press very gently, you'll open the valve, and then what will happen is you'll see all the air bubbles will come out, and once you're seeing ink, you've got all of the air out of your cart and you're good to go. You're not going to have any more air locks in there and no more air bubbles in your pipes. I hope that helps.